Namaste student, myself Javier Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is microbial technology and today's session is isolation of citric acid. So first of all we will discuss what is citric acid. Citric acid is usually occurring and found primarily in several varieties of fruits and vegetables, with citrus fruits such as lemons and limes containing the highest amount of citric acid. This organic acid has many uses, including as a food additive, preservative, ingredient in cosmetic products, and as a powerful cleaving agent. So, citric acid is the most important commercial product which is found in almost all plant and animal tissues. Citric acid is the most important organic acid produced in tonnage and extensively used in food and pharmaceutical industries. Citric acid is a weak organic acid found in citrus fruit. It is good natural preservative and it is also used in acidic taste to food or soft drinks. More than million tons are produced every year by fermentation. So, what is citric acid? Uh, Natural intermediate Krebs cycle, naturally non-toxic due to widespread, and it is produced by several molds and bacteria from a variety of substrates. So here we discuss the history. The discovery of citric acid has been credited to the 8th century Muslim alchemist Jabir in Hayar Geber. Citric acid is first isolated by 1784 by Swedish chemist Carl William Scheele, who crystallized it from lemon juice. So industrial scale citric acid production began in 1890 based on Italian citrus fruit industry. So microorganism used for citric acid production is large number of microorganisms including bacteria, fungi and yeast has been employed to produce citric acid. The main advantage of using this organism are it is easily to handle, it is ability to ferment a variety of cheap raw material and it have high yield. Various microorganisms such as fungi, in this Aspergillus niger, and in bacteria it is Bacillus leachiformis, Arthobacterius paraffin, and in yeast this is Saccharomyces lipolytica. So, what is citric acid production? We will discuss. Fermentation is the most economical and widely used by synthesis citric acid. For synthesis of citric acid production. So, the industrial citric acid production can be carried out in three different ways, in subphase fermentation, in submerged fermentation, and in solid state fermentation. In surface fermentation using Aspergillus niger may be done in rice bran on such as in case in Japan, or in liquid solution in aluminum stainless steel. In submerged fermentation, in this case the strain is inoculated of about 15 centimeter depth in fermentation tank. And in solid state fermentation, this is the simplest method of citric acid production. Solid state fermentation is also known as cozy process, first developed in Japan. So this is the citric acid production process. In purification process, purification is a simple form of getting a pure citric acid followed by two simple techniques. First is precipitation and second is filtration. So what are the factors affecting citric acid production? In this, nitrogen source, pH, aeration, trace elements, and temperature. So this is all about the citric acid production. So what are the uses and application of citric acid? It is used in food and drink. It is used in household cleaner. It is used in cosmetic, and it is used as wash cleaners. So this is all the citric acid production and applications. If you have any kind of query, so you can write down in comment section. Thank you, students.